How to fix League of Legends Vanguard error Van 1067. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error 1067. To fix the problem, start by going to the Start menu on your PC. In the search bar, type CM to look for the command prompt application. When it appears in the results, do not just open it normally. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important because you will need administrative privileges to run the commands properly. Once the command prompt opens, you can begin entering the required commands. First, type the following line exactly: sc delete vgc. After typing it, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This command deletes the VGC service from your system. Next, type the second command, such as sc delete vgk. Again, press Enter to execute it. This command removes the VGK service. Both of these services are related to Vanguard, the anti-cheat software used by games like Valorant. Sometimes, errors or conflicts with this software can cause issues, and deleting these services helps resolve the problem. After entering both commands, close the command prompt. Finally, go back to the Start menu. Click on the Power button and select Restart to reboot your PC. Restarting ensures that the changes take effect and that the services are fully removed. By following these steps, you will successfully clear the problematic services from your system and fix the issue. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.